Hello, everybody. Welcome to iExamBee's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience with us. If you're preparing for any competitive examinations after your law, you're at the right place. Do visit our website www.iexambee.com and you can check out all the demos of online courses available for the preparation of various competitive examinations like SEBI Grade A Legal Officer Exam, RBI Grade B Legal Officer Exam, IBPS SO Law Officer, IBPS RRB Law Officer, etc. आप इनकी डिटेल्स ले सकते हैं by writing us an email on hello@iexambee.com. Call us on this number 9205524028 as well. Don't forget to subscribe to LegalBee and check out all the amazing videos that we keep on posting at LegalBee. These are very helpful in your exam preparation and also give you information relating to various upcoming examinations. आज के इस वीडियो में मैं कंटिन्यू करने वाली हूँ with my ongoing series that I had started for descriptive answer writing. SEBI Grade A Legal Officer Examination के लिए especially descriptive answers का section है in your phase 2 exam now. So all of you ace your preparation with the help of all these videos that I will be again posting on LegalBee. If you have not checked out the previous videos of the series, you can check it out in the playlist of LegalBee. This is the 16th part that I have uploaded today, and the 16th question that I am discussing here is from the Evidence Act or Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam, discussing the importance and relevancy of an identification parade. टेस्ट आइडेंटिफिकेशन परेड एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है एंड डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर्स के लिए काफ़ी सूटेबल टॉपिक भी है. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सैम्पल आंसर्स ऑफ अराउंड 250 to 300 वर्ड्स ऑफ ऑल दीज टॉपिक्स. आप इन वीडियोस की पीपीटी को भी डाउनलोड करके रख सकते हैं एंड यू कैन प्रैक्टिस दीज आंसर्स. कोई भी डाउट्स हो आप हमें डायरेक्टली रीच आउट कीजिए. इन वीडियोस के कमेंट सेक्शन में भी आप हमें रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. नाउ स्टार्टिंग विद द इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट फर्स्ट. Facts talking about the identity of any person or thing are relevant under Section 9 of Indian Evidence Act and Section 7, that is the corresponding section in Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam. It is section number 7. Facts covered under this section provide more knowledge about the fact in issue and the relevant fact. We will directly go on point because हमारे पास word limit 250 to 300 words ही है. So हम ज़्यादा elaborate नहीं करेंगे, सीधे मुद्दे की बात करेंगे that the facts that are covered in this section actually they provide us what, or they provide the court more knowledge about fact in issue and relevant fact. That is the reason they become relevant under this section. Test identification parade, if we talk about, it is one of the subset of this section. वैसे ये सेक्शन जो है इसमें काफ़ी सारे फैक्ट्स हैं जो सिर्फ आइडेंटिटी नहीं but they also talk about the explanatory facts, introductory facts, facts showing relation between the parties and so on. So ये सारे अलग अलग टाइप के फैक्ट्स भी इसमें आते हैं जो आप इंट्रोडक्शन में मेंशन कर सकते हैं. एंड व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड यू ओवर हियर इज अबाउट टेस्ट आइडेंटिफिकेशन परेड स्पेसिफिकली. सो आप डायरेक्टली मीनिंग ऑफ टीआईपी पे जा सकते हैं. अगर यहाँ पे बहुत ही लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन आता है तो आप और इलेबोरेट कर सकते हैं रिलेटिंग टू अदर फैक्ट्स अ बिट and then you can go to the TIP. TIP is conducted for identifying accused. Parade is the test. The parade is the test of veracity of the witness on question of his capability to identify from among several persons an unknown person whom the witness has seen in the context of an offense. What is the objective of identification parade? It should be TIP here. It is conducted to check the course of investigation. Witness who claims to have seen the accused at the time of crime are subjected to this test so that the witness and the investigation officer can be confident in their suspicions about the inmate who committed the crime. That is one. And the person who has been charged with the crime and who is the suspect. Whether the people are matching or not. So ये TIP से confirm हो सकता है. एविडेंशियरी वैल्यू ऑफ टीआईपी, ऐसे जो भी क्वेश्चंस आपको आते हैं ना, डाइंग डिक्लेरेशन, एफआईआर, टीआईपी, इनके एविडेंशियरी वैल्यू का पॉइंट एक ऐड करना हमेशा. परेड इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन फॉर बोथ प्रोसिक्यूशन एंड अक्यूज्ड. इट इज नॉट एक्चुअली अ सब्सटैंशियल और प्राइमरी एविडेंस. You cannot solely base conviction on the test identification parade, but it is very important, especially to confirm the evidence. In Rajesh and another versus State of Haryana, it was held that identification in the course of a test identification parade is intended to offer certainty to the accused's identity. The reluctance of the accused to participate in the identification parade cannot be used solely to establish guilt over here. One important case law over here. Evidence के टॉपिक में केस लॉज ऐड करना काफ़ी इंप्रेसिव रहेगा in your descriptive answers. It will help you score more. TIP holds a lot of evidentiary value but is only confirmatory in nature. Again, in the case of state of Andhra Pradesh versus K. Venkata Reddy, a witness statement in a court of law is substantive testimony, whereas the witness identification parade is only confirmatory of the testimony presented in the court of law. So इसको आप conclusion में add कर सकते हैं इस point को about the evidentiary value. Basically, that it is a confirmatory kind of evidence. For more such kind of videos, stay tuned with us at LegalBee. Prepare 50% faster. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out all the course features available even on our mobile app in offline mode. Thank you everybody.